In this video, I'll show you step by step how I made $9,127 in commissions just in 19 days from Amazon affiliate marketing without spending a single dollar on ads. Well, I did it using free traffic. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I made this happen step by step. If you have been struggling to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing, pay close attention please, because I'll show you the exact strategy that's printing me passive income with Amazon. I have been doing this business guys for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with Amazon affiliate marketing using completely free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video I'll show you and I'll share with you one of my free method that I'm using to get consistent commissions every single day. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using completely free traffic, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one with Amazon. So if you don't have an affiliate account like this one, it's super easy and simple. Don't worry, just go to Google, search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link over here like this, and you will be in this page. Click on sign up like this, and click over here on create your Amazon account. And here you go. The sign up process to Amazon affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Marketing, okay? So you should see here your summary, commissions here, and bounties over here. So what you will do next, you need to choose a product that you will start promoting to earn commissions. You cannot promote any product that you like or that you think it's gonna work. This business doesn't work like this. You guys need to choose a product that people are already searching for, okay? So to get free traffic, I will share with you one of my best traffic sources that I'm using to get consistent commissions, okay? And it's YouTube. You guys need to open a YouTube account or a YouTube channel like this one, okay? Just go to your YouTube channel and you should know that why YouTube is the best traffic source. You guys need to know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors, okay? So just to explain this, 30 billion monthly visitors meaning multiple visits per user. People visit YouTube multiple times a day and one person can generate 1,000 or even 100 of visits per month. So 30 billion visits doesn't mean 30 billion unique users, okay? It means YouTube is one of the most visited platforms in the world and YouTube can make you so much money with Amazon affiliate marketing, okay? So what you will do, you need to choose a good product that people are already searching for. So open your YouTube channel like this, click on the search and for example just type questions. So let's type for example here best camera for, and here you go. Do you see this? YouTube will give you a report search prediction. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. Those people search for best camera for vlogging, best camera for YouTube videos, best camera for video and photography, and so on. So those people, they have money, they want to buy a camera, okay? So that's why they are searching for the best camera for vlogging or YouTube or any topic here, okay? So for you, what you will do next, you will go and open Amazon.com. Go to Amazon, to this page over here like this, and click on the search and search for the product that people are searching for on YouTube. Search for YouTube camera, okay? Scroll down and I want you to pay close attention in this step. You need to choose a good product and a good sellers. How we can choose good products? Always choose product that got at least over 1,000 sales in the past month. Like for example, like this one. This product, this camera got in the past month got over 3,000 sales, meaning that this one is good for you, okay? I will scroll more to see if we can find even more good products here. Like this one also guys is good one. Over 2,000 people paid for this one in the past month, meaning that this one is good, okay? I'm gonna scroll more to find good ones here. So let me see, we have a lot. You have a lot of products here that you guys can start promoting as Amazon affiliate marketers, okay? So for example, like this one, you guys can see this one, over 1,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one is good, a lot of reviews, like this one is good. So for example, I'm gonna choose this product. I will click on the product title like this, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon, okay, which is really good. So what you will do next, you need a video that you will use to promote this product on YouTube, okay? And if we scroll down, you can see here videos. We have videos. Let's click on videos. And here you go, you will find a lot of videos here from people who already paid for this product and they are making a review for this product, which is really good, okay? We have videos for this product. If we scroll more, related videos for this product, we have a lot of products here. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let's check this one here.
Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'll be reviewing this 8K camera. I'm going to go over all the accessories here, including this light.
This buyer is reviewing this camera and explaining how this camera works, the benefits of this camera for people who want to start or who want to buy this camera to start making content, which is really good. So we need to download this video to our laptop. So what we will do next, you guys need to install this extension in your laptop. Let me show you. This one, Amazon Video Downloader. Go to your Google, let me show you. You need to go click over here on this 3 points, go to extension, go to visit Chrome Web Store, search for this extension and install this extension in your Chrome, Amazon Video Downloader, okay? And you will find a lot of videos here that you can use. So for example, if you want to download a video, you just need to click here on download. I'm gonna choose for example this video, and you will be directly in this Amazon Video Downloader page. You guys can see here, okay, which is really good. So what you will do next, you just need to click on download video, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva, okay? Let me show you. Search for Canva, search for this website, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, and it's for free. So what you will do next, you need to click here on video. Just click on video and you have here YouTube video, okay? You see this YouTube video. Click on YouTube video and you will be directly in this page over here. So what you need to do next is you need to upload the video that you download from Amazon to your Canva account. So what you will do, you will click here on upload and click on upload file. Just click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Amazon, this one, okay? Click on open. And here you go, the video will be downloading to your Canva account. The video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Just click on your video and your video will be over here in this page over here. Let me show you like this. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background, and here you go. So what you will do next, you will click here on text. Just click on text, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. Just make sure to use good one that looks clear. I'm gonna use this one. I like to use always this one. This one is good. And here you go, your text will be over here like this. I'm gonna delete the second one and I will decrease the font size of this text like this. I will put this text here and double click on this text and write this sentence. Check link in description, because we will put our Amazon affiliate link in our YouTube description. So I'm gonna make this title like this, okay? And here you go, your title is good. I will put this title here and I will click here on elements like this. Just click on elements and scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and you have here shapes. Okay, choose this one and click on color and choose black color and put this shape behind your text like this. Okay, and here you go. Check link in my description. So people who want to buy a camera, they will watch the video on YouTube. The video will be like this. Let me show you.
Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'll be reviewing this.
So people who are searching for the best camera for YouTube videos or for content, the best camera, they will watch this video on YouTube. For example, let me show you.
This 8K camera, I'm going to go over all the accessories.
You guys can see this person is reviewing and he explain everything about this camera, which is good. People who will watch this video, they will see this check link in description. You will put your Amazon affiliate link in your YouTube description. Click on share after you finish and click on download. The video will be downloaded into your laptop. Go and open a YouTube channel, upload the video to your YouTube channel and use this title exactly like this: best camera for YouTube videos. And you can add in 2025 to make the video to make your title more attractive, so people can click on your video and watch the video. Then you will go back to Amazon, to this Amazon product page. Okay, to this Amazon product page. To get an affiliate link for this product, you just need to click here on get link. Okay, and this is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link, go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your video description. Okay, and in your YouTube description put this sentence: if you are looking for the best camera for YouTube videos, check link below, and put your Amazon affiliate link in your description. And that's it. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, and that's how we can make passive income with Amazon affiliates. Why it's passive income? Because if you upload a lot, please just start posting videos. If you upload a lot of videos, those videos will keep getting views, keep making you money. Okay, you can make a video just once, you upload the video just one time, the video keep getting views from people who search for those topics. You don't have just a camera to promote, you have a lot of product that you can promote. Okay, don't focus just on this product, you have a limited product that you can start promoting on YouTube. If you have a lot of videos that you already uploaded, those videos will keep getting traffic, and this traffic will be commissions for you. And that's it. That's exactly how we can promote those products on YouTube. Okay, and make sure to upload the videos like those videos, upload those videos as Creative Commons, so we will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. Okay, and that's it. That's exactly how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on YouTube. And you guys can see the category of this product that we are promoting and the commission rate here. It's 4%. Okay, so 4% of $144, I think it's $5. Okay, it's $5. So $5 commission is really good. You just need like, if you are getting just 20 customers per day, it's $100 per day. Guys, it's $100 per day. It's $3,000 per month just with this products. If you upload a lot of videos, you don't need to promote also just this one product, just this camera. You have a lot of cameras that you can promote. You guys don't focus just on one. You have this one. You can promote a lot. Okay, so try different, promote also this one. Okay, and that's it. Also guys, for people who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you guys to join my exclusive coaching course that I created that will help you to start making commissions. I'm sharing with you everything. I created a step-by-step guide. I'm sharing everything, how I made and how I'm making every single month over $15,000 with Amazon affiliate marketing. Step by step, you will get access to all my profitable products. Also, I'm not using just YouTube, but YouTube is the best traffic source for me. I also use Pinterest, I'm using Instagram, and I'm using YouTube Shorts, and I'm using TikTok and more. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. And that's it. If you have more questions, please just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.